Hello everyone, hope everything's going good today. Here's in session for another vlog here. In the beginning of this vlog, we're going to be looking at my new Blackstone 36-inch griddle. Going to go over how I seasoned it and show a little cooking on it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's roll that intro. Hey guys, sorry I haven't really taken much footage here. Like a day or two, we're going to try to get back on it here. It's been kind of an exhausting few days. My kids finished up sports, but now they have tryouts for next season. So the month of May continues for another day or so. Hopefully after that, and all the school musicals, chorus concerts, and everything else in between are about to come to an end.
I would like to go there, at the back of the house, where a high school teacher caught us when making out. You and me, perfect strangers, but really not at the same time. Nothing can come between us. You and me, we're staying alive.
We are setting up our Blackstone 36-inch griddle. I thought there was a different name for it. Like
But it's a griddle.
Teppanyaki. I had a bocce griddle. How about that? Can it be considered a bocce griddle? No. I'm setting up the Blackstone griddle 36-inch. To initially clean your griddle, just use soap and water, dump it on and wipe it down, and then dry it off well before heating it up. Once you have the griddle clean, it's time to heat it up. You will want to heat it up until it changes colors. So, I went to light up a grill the first time and the propane leak leaked out, so luckily my gas station had one. Once it is heated, you will notice a color change on the griddle. This is an important part during the seasoning process. Now you can see me adding oil to season the cooktop. I recommend using a heat glove, some tongs, and a paper towel or soft rag of some sort, as the initial coating of oil can splash and will be extremely hot. Once the initial layer is laid and burns off, you repeat the process 2 more times or as many as you would like. Now you can see the griddle is completely seasoned and ready to cook on. For this first time I did a bocce, I did rice, I did veggies, I did chicken, I did steak, and let me tell you, it was very, very delicious.
I'm just walking around and looking at animals.
Where's the flamingos? Go show them the flamingo.
Chickens.
That's chickens. Oh no, the flamingos aren't here. No, they're normally in here. Maybe they're inside. The little flamingos. Let me go. There's the flamingos. That's the flamingos. What? Flamingos. Flamingos.
You see the duckies? Yeah? You see the duckies? Oh, where are they going?
Hi, bye.
Where are they going? Huh? No.
To the water.
Looky. You're on camera. You're on camera. Hi.